Pour you up a drink or we can burn some. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do.
Yo, coming through. It's Flyby 2013 community service. Retirement home. We're gonna give away these gift bags. You know how Flyby do it every year, man. We gotta get it in, do our thing, get back to the community. Yeah. Wings up.
Wings up, nigga. Flyby, out here doing community service, spreading holiday cheers. I hate doing interviews. Cut.
This kid off with Flyby, Randolph, doing community service here for the elderly. God bless everyone. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's.
Thank you. Amen, brother.
That's it. This is Keith Caldwell with Randolph, Flyby. We came out here today to the Care Center today to express some holiday cheer for the less fortunate, for our seniors that really need somebody to come and talk to them. Just we want to spread a little joy to them today. And that's what we did. On behalf of Randolph and Flyby, we want to thank you guys for all the support that you give us through the years, and hope we come back again next year. Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Ernest Babalola Goodrich Sr., APRI, under Miss Claire Caldwell. It's a joy to be of service to our elders who paved the way for us. Thank you.